are now 4 weeks away from the general election as candidates look to find an edge any way they can. One of our viewers asked if candidates are allowed to pay notable people to endorse them. Our Verify National team has the answer.
As candidates make their final push before the midterm elections, you may start seeing more of them touting endorsements from celebrities or notable organizations. That led Verify viewer Jack to wonder whether politicians might simply be paying those folks to endorse them. So let's verify. Is it legal for political candidates to pay for endorsements? Our sources are the Federal Election Commission and the Federal Election Campaign Act. According to the FEC, there is no law banning candidates from paying for endorsements. A spokesperson told Verify, quote, "No provisions in the FEC rules specifically address paid endorsements of federal candidates. But candidates are legally required to disclose such payments. The Federal Election Campaign Act requires campaigns for federal office to file regular reports on where their money comes from and where it goes. That report has to include the name and address of any person to whom an expenditure in excess of $200 is made, together with the date, amount, and purpose of such expenditure. So paying for an endorsement isn't illegal, but trying to hide that payment could get you in trouble. A notable example, a former Iowa state senator named Kent Sorensen. According to court records in 2012, he took money in exchange for endorsements for Republican candidates for president. He was charged with willfully causing false expenditure reports and obstruction of justice. He pleaded guilty and received a 15-month prison sentence. But it was for the cover-up, not the payments themselves. So we can verify, yes, it is legal for federal candidates to pay for endorsements, but they are legally required to disclose those payments. With your Verify, I'm Casey Decker.